So, if you have an iPhone 17 or 17 Pro and you want to record your screen with your voice or audio, but you're not sure how to do it, then you came to the right video. I'll show you step by step how to screen record on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or Pro Max with your voice. It's actually pretty easy to do. All you need to do is swipe down from the top right corner of your screen until you see the screen recording toggle. Now, if for some reason you don't have the screen recording toggle in your control center, we can easily add it. Just tap on the icon at the top left, then go to Add a Control at the bottom. From there, use the search bar and type Screen Recording or Record Screen. Once the toggle is added, if you tap on it, it will start a countdown and begin recording your screen. But by default, the audio capture is turned off. So what you want to do before you start recording is long press on the screen recording icon until this menu pops up. You'll see a microphone toggle. Right now it's off for me, so I'll just tap it once to enable it. Now, when you start recording your screen, it will also capture your voice or any audio you want. The microphone will be enabled and your iPhone will record your voice during the screen recording. This is really useful if you want to make tutorials, presentations, or just explain something while recording your screen. And that's basically how you can screen record with audio on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. But this will also work on older iPhones as well.